morning students, welcome back to online classes. And last class only we discussed lost chapter. What's the lost chapter? Financial management. Means we discussed. Today onwards we are going to do the revision classes. Means revision classes we are doing. In first chapter I am going to do today. Okay, already we know, I think, nature and significance of management and principles and planning, and already you learned these are all chapters. Okay, today onwards we are going to do the revision classes. Okay. See here, first chapter is nature and significance of management. Nature and what's the nature? What are the characteristics of management and significance? What are the significances there in the management? Okay, and what are the functions? How they are going to manage the peoples? How they are going to do the work? In this chapter, we are going to learn. In this chapter, you will get 1 mark questions, 2 marks questions, and 8 mark question also. Compulsory, they will ask 1 mark questions, 2 mark questions, and 8 marks questions. If you learn or if you know this chapter, means you will get 11 marks. Okay. And see here, already I told nature. What are the characteristics of the management? Before knowing the characteristics of management, you need to learn meaning of management. You need to learn meaning of management. See here students, management is required for all business, for all organization. Okay, whether the service company or manufacturing company, profit company or non-profit company, big company or small company. Okay, see here, management is required for all business, whether the big or small companies or profit or non-profit company, manufacturing company or service company. They need management. Without management, they can't do the business effectively here. Okay, the series of interrelated functions that are performed by the employees. For what purpose they are going to perform is to achieve the organizational goals. To achieve the organizational goals. Okay, and the success of any organization depends on quality of management. If the management have quality means definitely there will be success. If there is no quality means they can't success here. So if they have perfect management means they will become success. Otherwise they can't. Management is required for all organization. Without management, they can't run the business effectively. Okay? And what is the management? Management is process. Management is an art. Management is an effort. Management is a process of getting the things done with the aim of achieving the organizational goals effectively and efficiently. Effectively and efficiently is called as management. Okay, what is the meaning? Meaning is management is a process. Management is a process of getting the work and getting the things will do with aim of achieve the goals effectively. The management means it is a process. Okay, management is an art, it is a process. Okay, it is getting the things done with the aim of achieving the organizational goals. Means they are going to get the things means what it is, products. They are going to manufacture the products here. Okay, getting the things means they will have, before that they have one goal. Means already they will plan. With the help of that plan, they are going to do the work in the organization. Okay, means why they are going to do the work here? Means to achieve the organizational goals. To achieve the organizational goals effectively and efficiently. Effectively and efficiently, they are going to achieve the organizational goals. Management means it is a process getting the things done with the aim of achieving the organizational goals effectively and efficiently is called as management. Is called as management. What they will do means they will do the work. What purpose they are going to do work here? What purpose means to achieve the organizational goals. Every organization have goal. Without goal, they can't do the business effectively. If they don't have goal means how they will reach, how they will gain the profit more here. That's why compulsory every business have one goal. Example, some business have, I need more profit, I want to gain more profit. And some business have, I need good reputation, I need goodwill. I don't want profit, but I need goodwill, I need good reputation. Some companies will have goal, I need to help to society. How to help to society? For that, I am going to do the work in the organization. So, every business, every organization have different goals. They were already set. With the help of that, they are going to plan. They are going to organize. They are going to direct. They are going to staff. They are going to control the business in the organization. Okay. And this is meaning. Next, we will see the definition. See here, students, according to Harold Kitts and Henry Welch. Okay, management is a process. Already I told management is an art or it is a process. Okay, who will design here? Who will design means the manager will design here. The manager will design and he is going to maintain the individuals. He is going to maintain the environment of individuals, means peoples, employees. He is going to manage here. He is going to maintain the peoples here. Okay, and they will maintain, and after that they are going to work together. See, working together in a group. Management, it is not a one person work. It is a group effort, teamwork. It is not a single person work. It is group work. Okay, one single person, they can't run the business. Okay, and group of members, the employees will work. Okay, without group of members, that is not business. Okay, achieve the selected aim. They already select the one aim. Already I told some companies have I need goodwill. Some companies have goal I need more profit. Some companies have I need to help the society. Every company have different goals here. They have more goals here. So they will already selected the aim. Who will achieve? The management will achieve. The quality of management will achieve here. Okay? Management means it is required for all the business here. Okay? Means it is management, it is a process and designing, maintaining of an environment which the individuals means employees. Okay? And next is working together. Means all the employees working together in a groups. Means they will work with effectively and efficiently. Effectively and efficiently accomplish to achieve the selected aims is called as management. Maybe they will ask for 2 marks. Define management. Define management means you have to write this definition. Maybe they will ask for 1 mark. What is management? You have to write this meaning. Management means it is the process getting the things done with the aim of achieving the organizational goals effectively and efficiently is called as management. Okay? See, I think you will get one doubt. What is effectively, efficiently? What is this effectively, efficiently? Now we will discuss. Okay? See, effectiveness, efficiently. What do you think effectiveness means? Completion of the work on time. Okay? Completion of work on time. Okay? Efficiently means it is completion of work with minimum cost, and minimum resources and benefits, quality benefits. Quality of benefits here. So yes, students, what do you mean by effectiveness? Means completion of the work on time. They will not consider minimum resources. They will not consider cost here. Compulsory, they will give the time period and duration. Within that, we are going to complete the work. Is called as effectiveness. Efficiently means here they will not consider here time. They will consider only minimum cost and minimum resources. Even they have to produce the goods, quality goods they have to produce here. They will not bother about time. How much you want time you can take, but I need quality products, and you have to use only minimum resources and minimum cost only. Okay, like that is there. It is effective, efficiently, and here minimum cost and minimum resources. Okay, this is meaning. Okay, and what is the difference means? It is considered only on time. It will not consider the time. See, it is considered only time. Here, this is also meaning also one difference. Okay. It is only considered cost and time. Cost and resources. Here they will only consider cost and resources only. Okay. Here they will consider only time here. They will not bother about cost. They will not bother about resources. But they need products on time. Here they will not consider time here. Okay. They will consider only cost and resources. That's it. And here they will not consider the quality products here. They will not give importance to quality products. And here they will give the importance to the quality products. And it will give the very importance for on time project. Means within the time period they have to complete the work here. Okay. It is not considered quality products, and it is not considered time. It is not considered time. It is not considered quality products. They need within the time period they have to complete. Here they need with minimum cost, minimum resource. They have to finish the product with quality products. They have to produce here, and even they will think I need profits, but here they think quality. Not quality product. They will think here only time. Okay, this is difference. Okay, difference between effectiveness and efficiently. Okay. Next, we will see what are the features or characteristics of management. Okay, I think all of you understood this. Effectiveness means what? Efficient means what? Okay. What are the features means? First is management is goal oriented. Goal oriented process. Yes, it is always goal oriented process only. And management is purposive. Means universal. Management is multi-dimensional. Okay. And fourth one is management is Dynamic function. The last one is management is intangible. I think you heard about intangible. This word force. Intangible force. This is futures of management. Okay. See students, this is futures of management. The first future is management is a goal-oriented process. Management is a goal-oriented process. Without goal, the organization they can't run the business effectively. Without goal, even they can't start the business also. Example, without goal we can't study also. Means without goal if we will study means up to, okay, without goal we will study means we are studying continuously only. Example, I want to become a doctor means, if you want to become a doctor means, if you will study means MBBS, you will become a doctor. Means if you don't have any goal means at the time you will study continuously, like period you will study. Means that's why they need goal. They need to fix the goal. Otherwise, we can't run the business effectively. Every business have goals here. Every business have goals. Example, retail shop. Example, retail shop owner. Retail shop owner have one goal. What's the goal means? To increase the sales. To increase the sales. If they will increase the sales, if they will sell the products more means at the time what they will get? More profit they will get. What they will get? More profit they will get. Means that is retail shop owner goal. Okay, that is retail shop owner. They need more profit. That's why they are going to increase the sales here. Okay, that's why they are selling the products more and more. At the time they will get the more profit. Means without goal we can't run the business. Even we can't start the business. That's why this is first future in the management. Okay, without goal we can't do the work here. Okay, and next is management is pervasive. Means it is universal. Management it is a common for all the organization. Management it is a common for all the organization here. Okay, without management we can't run the business. Without management we can't run the business. Whether the political, whether the social, and whether the business, other than the economic, we can't run the business. Means without management. Without managing means they can't run the business. Management is a common for all the organization. Example, in India management, okay, in India have management. In same Japan also, in same America also, in same Germany also. Every country they have own management. Without management we can't run the business effectively. Okay. In example, in India I have management. Okay. In America also in same, in Japan also in same, in Germany also same management. Without management they can't do the business effectively. Okay, it is universal. Management it is a universal. It is universal. It is applicable for all the organization. It is applicable for all the organization. Without management, we can't do the business effectively and efficiently. Okay. And the next is management is a multi-dimensional. Yes, management is a multi-dimensional. In management, we have more activities. What are that activities? Means people, work and operation. Multi means complex, different dimensional we have. What do you mean by dimension? Means something which is measuring. Example, width, long, means we are measuring. Means we have to measure people here, we have to measure here work, and we have to measure here operation. We have to measure here operations. What are the dimensions? Means we have three here. See here. First, work, people, operation. We have three work, people, operations. Three dimensions we have. First we will learn work. Okay. In organization, what they will do? In organization, what they will do is they will do work. They will do some work here. Okay. In organization, what they will do is they will do some work here. They will do some work. What work means? Example, in factory, they are going to manufacture the products. In hospital, the doctor will treat the patient. That is also one work. Producing the products also one work. In hotel, serving the food. That is also one work. Means without work, we can't run the business here. One single person will go and will sit, and after that he will go, means that is not business. They have to do the work there. Means example, in factory they have to produce the products. That is work. In hospital they have to treat the patients. That is also one work. Okay. And before doing the work, they will plan. With the help of the plan, they are going to do the work here. Okay. And without plan, we can't do the work here. Okay. And what is the factory? In factory, they will manufacture the goods. Manufacture the products. In hospital, what they will do? Means doctor will treat the patient. Means he will give the treatment. That is also one work. So without work, we can't do the business. Okay. And next is people. Getting the work through the people. If they want to do the work, means compulsory they need peoples. Peoples means employees. If they need to work, means compulsory they need peoples. They need employees here. Without employees, we can't do anything in the organization, right? If employees will not there, means how they will do? They can't do. That's why they need to work, means they need products, means who will produce? The employees will produce here. The employees will produce here. So the employees will produce, means the They will give the even freedom also they will give. Without freedom they can't work effectively here. That's why they will, before giving the work, they will give the training and they will give the motivations. They will give the incentives. What purpose they will give means to do the work effectively in the organization. When the peoples or employees will do the work effectively means at the time we will get the more profit here. Okay. And the next is operation. The next is operation. Operation, how they will do means with the help of people and work. With the help of people and work, they are going to do the operation. What are that operations means? Purchasing. Purchasing goods and selling and finance. With the help of the people and work, they are going to do these are activities. What purpose they are going to do these are activities means to achieve the organizational goals. Means they will already fix the goals. Okay, they have to achieve means they have to do the work effectively. Okay, the operation which is combination of people and work means what they will do. Activities means they will purchasing goods, selling, finance. These are all operations will do here. Okay, these are all dimensions. These are all multi-dimensionals in the management. Okay, without people, without work, and without operations, they can't run the business effectively here. And next is management is continuous process. Yes, it is a management. It is a continuous process. Here, don't have end stage. We don't have end stage. Management it is a cycle. Management is a process. Management is an art. Here we don't have end stages. How they will means? First they will do plan. Okay. See here. First they will do planning and next they will do organization and next they will do staffing. Next they will do directing and the last one they are going to do the controlling. In controlling they will get the information. The information they will give to the for future plan. Same thing. It's rotating like this only. Means it is a cycle. Same thing it is rotating. Planning after that organizing and after organizing they are going to do the stuff and after the stopping they are going to do the directing. After directing they are going to do the control. Okay. Same thing will be repeating here. Okay. Up to organization lost, up to organization closed. Okay, if the organization or business will be wide means at the time we are going to start this cycle. Up to we are going to do the same functions only. These are all functions of management only. Okay, first they will do plan, after that they are going to organize, after that they are going to staff, and after that they are going to direct, and last one, finally they are going to control the business here. Okay, it is here don't have end stage. Always they have processing. In processing only we have. Okay, and next is group activity. The management it is group activities. Yes, it is management is group activities. One single person they can't run the business effectively here. Okay, one single person they can't run. Okay, management is a group efforts. Management is a group efforts and teamwork. Group efforts and it is a teamwork. Okay. the manager will do work with subordinates. The manager will work with the subordinates. What purpose they are going to do the work means to achieve the organizational goals. For that purpose only they are going to do the work here. Okay, means they are work together. Manager and subordinates, they are working together to achieve the organizational goals. One single person, they can't run the business. It is business, it is a group efforts, teamwork. Okay, they will work together. Okay, students. And the next one is management is a dynamic function. Yes, the management is dynamic function only. Means new technology they will adapt it in the organization. Creativity means they are changing itself only. Example, the new machinery means new technology machineries will come means the old technologies only, old technology machineries only they will take and replace the new machineries. That's it. They will not change old business. They will change this machineries only. If they will change machineries means at that time they can produce the more products and they will gain the more profits. Okay. Here dynamic function it is means changing itself. They are changing itself only. They will not change the old business here. Okay. Example, modern technology. If the modern technology will come means they will change here. Okay. New technology they will adapt. Old technology they will leave. That's it. Okay. This is dynamic function. And management is a intangible force. Management is a intangible force. It is management. It is we cannot see, but we can feel. Okay, we can't see, but we can feel. Example, the service. I am teaching right. We can see, but we cannot see the service, but we can feel. Oh, this is teaching. We are understanding. That's it. Okay. Even management also, it is intangible force. In management, what you will get means example, employee satisfaction. Employee satisfaction, wealth, service. We can't see, these are all things. Just we can feel. That's it. We can feel the service. Employee satisfaction we can't see. Employee will satisfy means, sir, I will satisfy with work. I am satisfied with your salary. They are telling. But that is feeling. That's it. It is not, we can't see and we can't touch. Management is intangible force here. Okay. I think all of you understood the features of management. Okay. Management is a goal oriented and policy, multidimensional, continuous process, group activity and dynamic function and intangible force. Okay. See here, I will give overview about futures. See here students, goal oriented. Without goal, the management cannot do the work effectively. Okay. Means purpose means it is a universal. Management it is common for all the organization. It is universal which is applicable for all the organization. Okay. Without organization they can't run the business. And next it is multidimensional. In multidimensional we have three types: people, work, operation. Means without work we can't run the business. Without people, who will do the work? The peoples will do the work here. Means employees. Operations, work and peoples both together they are going to do the operations. What are the operations? Means purchasing, selling, they will do the in organization. Okay, and next is continuous process. Yes, management is a continuous process. Here we don't have ending stages. It is a cycle and it is continuously will run here up to still organization lost. Okay, next it is group activity. One single person they can't run the business. It is a group effort and a teamwork. The manager will work with the subordinates to achieve the organizational goals. Okay, and next it is dynamic function. Yes, it is a dynamic function and a creative function, and if it is a modern technology will come, they will adapt, changing itself only. They will not change whole business, just they will change the machineries and they will change the technology only. That's it. Okay, and it is intangible. Management it is intangible. Means why means we can't see but we can feel. What that means? Employee satisfaction, service, wealth. We can't see but we can feel. Okay, that is management also. It is intangible. I think all of you understood. These are all points. And today we learned meaning, definition, difference between the effectiveness and efficient, and futures of management. Next class we will see some other topics. Okay. Thank you students for listening this session.